This video is going to expose a lot of fake dropshipping gurus preaching the exact opposite which you actually need to do. Let me tell you the number one thing which I've seen been taught wrong in the dropshipping community. Your store does not matter. That is by far the biggest misconception people have, and also the biggest issue people face when they don't make things work. All right? You've probably heard this advice tons of times. If you have a store which looks really branded and really good, everything will convert. And if you have a store which is not that great, that is the reason why nothing is working. All right? Complete bullshit. Your theme doesn't matter, your copywriting almost doesn't matter, and the whole branding thing is completely unnecessary if you don't even have the proven concept that you have a good product. I've seen so many people wasting weeks or even months preparing their store and making everything perfect, and then in the end they just either quit because it was not working, or they try it and nothing was working and they have to move on to the next product and then waste another month on making a really good store. Let me tell you this, a store is one of the last priorities in your dropshipping business. By far the number one thing is your product. Product research is by far the most important. Number two are going to be the ads. Number three is going to be your Facebook setup. And number four is going to be your store. So you need to focus first on all the above before you actually put in the time on your store. And I've seen most people having the most time spent in their store instead of in product research or making really good ads, okay? It's crazy to me. And what I've seen is that you need to have a baseline store, all right? Your store obviously cannot look scammy because the best product and the best ads will not convert if you have a store which looks like it's gonna scam you, of course. However, if you are above that threshold and have a decent store, it's more than enough to get started with testing. And I've seen this happen over and over again. This is not a theory or an idea. It's actually reality, okay? I've seen this happen over and over again where stores which don't look that great make really good money. I can show you a couple of examples here. You can see those stores are very, very basic, however, they're doing amazing. And you've probably also seen this, where you see ads with tons of engagement, and you click on the store and then you realize, all right, the store is terrible. I could do way better than this. And you don't understand why it's actually working. This is the answer. It does not matter. Only when you start scaling to really high numbers, you can start improving your store and testing out tweaks and hacks to your conversion rate to make everything better. But in essence, it does not really matter until you're making at least 100K per month. This is really important. And if your focus will go on your stores only, you're not gonna make it work. So your real focus actually has to go in product research, product validation, and creating ads. Those two things, by far the most important, and that's actually where you should not rush and go for perfect things. Everybody who says that the store is way more important than everything else and that you need to brand from the get-go don't know what they're talking about, because you cannot put in so much time and effort into a thing where there's not even a proven concept, okay? And I've also seen their personal attachment grows. Obviously, you're gonna be way more personally attached to a product if you've put in so much time and effort into the store and making everything perfect, all right? You're gonna, even if something doesn't work, are gonna try to keep going and testing and testing and testing. And you're gonna maybe think, all right, I need to change up the theme or the copy or something on the store to make it even better, but nothing will help. And you cannot allow yourself to be personally attached to a product because it's by far the biggest mistake you can do. The main problem with a brick and mortar business is that you are so personally attached because you've put down so much money and so much time and effort into one thing. If that doesn't work, you're gonna be crushed. And you're gonna keep trying and trying and trying and trying on this one thing, which maybe does not work, all right? In dropshipping, it's much easier. If you have a product, you've tested it out and it didn't work, you move on. It's that simple. And if you're also not personally attached to the store or the product, it's gonna be very simple to find a winning product. You're gonna rotate through a couple of products and you're gonna find a winner, and that is gonna blow up, all right? However, if you would have just stayed with one product which was not working for whatever reason, you cannot make it work, and the chances of your success are gonna be diminished drastically. If you actually want me to tell you exactly what you need to do and what you need to focus on in your dropshipping business, you can click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session with me personally. It's gonna be a one-on-one call. I'm gonna tell you exactly what you need to do to actually properly get your business started and to scale it to 5 or 6 figures per month. Click the link below, and I'm also not gonna bullshit you and try to sell you a fake dream where basically this is gonna be easy money and just like a get rich quick thing, all right? This is not the case. This requires hard work, time, effort, and a good budget. All those things are needed to actually properly get started. You cannot start a business with a couple of $100s. You cannot start a business with 30-minute time investment every single day. You need more than that, all right? So if that actually applies to you and you have that, click the link below and sign up for the free consultation session with me. See you there.